everybody, it's Junior Baseball Fanatic 12 here, and today I'll be opening up two blaster boxes. One is 2019 Archives and the other is 2019 Fire. Let's get started. Okay, so today I will start with the Fire blaster box. Okay, let's see what I get in here. Okay, so here are all the packs and our 4 exclusive gold minted base parallels. I'll save that for the end. And let's rip open this first pack. Hoping for some of the rookies of this year. Here. There we go. Verlander, Kiermaier, and we got a nice Justin Turner. It's a cool one there. Got Chris Bryant, Byron Buxton. Next pack. Okay. As you can see, it's a little hard to get these open. There we go. Got Carter Keyboom. That's a nice rookie card there. I'm going to put that one aside. And nice Chance Adams. It's a cool one. 85 out of 99. Nice. And then Yonder Alonso. I think I'll put up this limited one right there so you guys can see. Maybe put up some of the other ones. Oh, and there we go, a nice Vladdy Jr. rookie card. I'm definitely putting that one up. That one is a nice one there. I like that one. That was one of the rookies I was looking for, and we got a nice Stewart rookie card and a cool Garrett Cole card. It's a nice one there, so I'll put that one aside. And then last we got Bregman. Let's see who's in this next pack. Let's see if we can get some more of the nice rookies. Okay, and cool Acuna. It's a nice one there. And then we got Todd Helton on the back. So we got 3 more packs left. See if we can get maybe like an Alonso or something in here. Got Ryan Zimmerman. And a cool Justin Verlander Nolan Ryan card. I like that one, so I'll put that one aside too. You got Taylor Ward rookie card. Okay, now we're down to our last 2 packs. Let's see what else lurks in here. Mookie Betts and a nice Yuli Gurriel card. So we're getting some nice ones. We've already pulled a Vladdy Jr. rookie card, so I really like that. Okay, we got a nice Albies, then Sonny Gray. We got a nice Juan Soto and Rowdy Tellez rookie card. I like that one. Okay, so that was our last pack. Let's see here. Now we are on to our gold minted pack. see who is in here. Gallo. Oh, and a nice Trout. Always nice to get a Trout card. Last but not least, we got Willie Adames. Okay, so let's look at my favorites. So I have those two. I think I'm going to choose one more, and it's probably going to be either one of these two. I like those. Neither of them are numbered, but I think I got to go with the Mike Trout because it's always nice to get a Trout. So those are my three favorites from that pack. Now let us move on to the 2019 archives. And let's see if we can get some of the nice rookies in there. Okay. So we got 7 packs in here plus 2 bonus Topps coins. So I wonder what we're gonna get as the coins. Okay, I'll open the coins last. And let's see what is in here. Got Reese Hoskins, nice Rafael Devers, and ooh, what's this? A Francisco Lindor. So look on the back, and it's a 64 out of 99. I like that one there. Nice one, so I'll put that one up there. Then the last card is a Brian Anderson. On to our next pack. See what else is in here. Got a nice Derek Jeter, Mel Ott, Ryan Sandberg, and we got a nice future star Carter Kieboom rookie card. And last, we got a Carlos Martinez. Okay. Still liking that Francisco Lindor limited card. Oh, we got a Vladimir Guerrero Sr., a Brandon Lau rookie card. And right after it, an Eloy Jimenez. I like that one there, so I'm going to put that one up. Let's see. Okay, and we got nice Archives Ichiro. That's a cool one there. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. And last, we got... Okay. See if I can get some other nice rookie cards. I've already gotten some good ones, but I'm hoping for some more. We got a Whitey Ford, Lucas Giolito, Ken Griffey Jr., that's a nice one. Right after him, Nolan Ryan. And oh my gosh, an autograph! Wow, a Tim Burke from the Montreal Expos. Wow. Look at that. That's a nice one there. Oh my gosh. Congratulations. You have just received a 50th anniversary of the Montreal Expos autograph card from 2019 Archives Baseball.
Sweet.
That is an awesome one. I'm going to have to put that one on a stand. And then we got Ozzie Smith, my mom's favorite baseball player. So I'll put that one aside. And we are getting that stand for it. But while we're doing that, I will open up this one. So wow, I'm so shocked that we just got an autograph and an Austin Riley rookie card. It's a nice one there. We got Hal Newhouser, and look at that! A Vladdy rookie card, another one. Man, we are getting good stuff in these two boxes. Wow, just wow. So, I mean, this is an awesome two boxes, and we got a nice Cody Bellinger, Matt Olson, and a polar bear Pete Alonso rookie card. Wow. Last we got Alex Bregman. So this is spectacular. Just wow. Got an autograph, limited card, and a bunch of great rookies in here. So now on to our last pack. Evan Longoria, Kevin Pillar, Andrew Elton Simmons, and we got a Sports Magazine 2018 All-Star Mookie Betts, Jorge Polanco, and last got a Joe Panic. Okay, wow. So now on to our two coins. Let's see who we get in here. A little hard to open. I think I got that. There we go. First one, we got a nice Gleyber Torres. And second, we got... Okay, I'm going to have to use the scissors to get this coin out. Let's see, we got a Justice Sheffield. Okay, so show off my best ones. I do like the Pete Alonso, Vladdy Jr., and Austin Riley rookie. And then we got the Eloy Jimenez, Francisco Lindor, 64 out of 99. The Tim Burke autograph. Then we got the gold minted Mike Trout, the Chance Adam rookie card, 85 out of 99, and then the other Vladdy Jr. rookie card. So altogether, these were a great two boxes. So thank you everybody for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.